Hello and welcome guys. Today I have brought a new topic for you, which is bio-ride scheme. It relates to your GS paper 2 government scheme section and GS paper 3 science and technology section. So why this bio-ride scheme was in the news? Because Union government approves bio-ride scheme to boost biotechnology research, innovation and entrepreneurship with 9,197 crore outlay. Now you have to know what is biotechnology first, then you will be able to understand the importance of this scheme. So what is biotechnology? Biotechnology is the use of living organisms, cells or biological systems to develop new products or technologies that improve our lives. It combines biology with technology to create solutions in fields like medicine, agriculture and environmental conservation. Now I think you have understood this term itself. We will see importance of biotechnology. It has importance in our day-to-day lives. The first importance is in medical advancement. It is used to treat genetic disorders by correcting faulty genes. For example, biotechnology plays a key role in creating vaccines like the mRNA vaccines for COVID-19. So during COVID-19 period, biotechnology helped a lot. The next importance is agricultural improvement. In the field of producing genetically modified crops, it increases the crop yield, make crops resistant to pests and diseases and enhance nutritional value. The next importance is within agricultural improvements itself. It is related to drought resistant crops production. So it helps in cultivating crops in the regions where water scarcity is high. In the environmental field as well, biotechnology has its importance. So where in the bioremediation. So what is bioremediation? Bioremediation means use of microorganism to clean up oil spills and reduce pollution, and also in production of biofuels. So environmentally friendly fuels produced using biotechnology are called as biofuels, and it will reduce our dependency on fossil fuels. So it will help India in reducing its dependency, that is oil dependency on West Asian countries like Middle East countries. So it is useful for India in that respect. Then in industrial applications as well, biotechnology is useful. For example, production of biodegradable plastics. So biotechnology helps in creating eco-friendly materials that reduce pollution. So till that point, if you have understood the importance and the term biotechnology itself, now we will go deeper into the scheme. So why government brought this scheme and what is the goal of the government behind bringing this scheme? So the goal is to promote research, innovation and entrepreneurship in biotechnology with the aim of making India a global leader in this sector. The second objective is that to grow India's bioeconomy to $300 billion by 2030 and realize the vision of a developed India. In Hindi, it is called as Vikasit Bharat by 2047. The next objective is the allocated budget for implementing the scheme during the 15th Finance Commission period will be, that is 2021-2022 to 2025-2026 is 9,197 crore. The scheme merges two existing umbrella schemes of the Department of Biotechnology and introduces a new component focused on biomanufacturing and biofoundry. The scheme has three components. The first one is biotechnology research and development. The second one is industrial and entrepreneurship development. The third one is biomanufacturing and biofoundry. Now I think this term biofoundry will be new to you. So we will understand this term. What is biofoundry? A biofoundry combines biology, engineering and chemical biology with automation to speed up scientific discoveries. These facilities enable large-scale synthetic biology experiments, offering new solutions for environmental, health and manufacturing challenges. Under the Biofoundry initiative, The government will set up cutting edge facilities that integrate technologies like synthetic biology, automation and data analytics to optimize the design, build, test, learn cycle in biotechnology. Now we have to see what are the key highlights of the BioRide scheme. So what are the provisions of the scheme? So the first provision is related to bio-entrepreneurship. Within India, the entrepreneurship in biotechnology field is very less. So we have to, means government is aiming at improving the bio-entrepreneurship. So how government will improve that? By offering seed funding, incubation facilities and mentorship to bio-entrepreneurs. Then government is also trying to drive innovation by providing grants and incentives for research in the fields like synthetic biology, biopharmaceuticals, bioenergy and bioplastics. Government is also trying to enhance industry-academia collaboration. Most of the things which are happening in India and used to happen because of less collaboration between industry and academia. So government is focusing on these components so that they can collaborate and bring some innovative technologies. So by strengthening partnership between academic institutions, research bodies and industry to speed up commercialization of bioproducts. The next component is encouraging sustainable biomanufacturing and supporting researches by offering external funding to research institutions, universities and individual researchers across various biotech fields. Government is also aiming to develop human resources by supporting the growth of students, young researchers and scientists in biotechnology through comprehensive development programs. Now I think you understood the scheme itself, its key highlights. Now you will ask me one question, but what is the progress of biotechnology sector in India till date? So I do have answer to your question as well and with proof. So the Ministry of Science and Technology highlighted that India ranks third in the Asia Pacific region and 12th globally in terms of biomanufacturing. This is the data supported by PIB. So it is a government authorized website. The second thing is that which is mentioned by Invest India, it is also a government authorized website. It mentioned that India's bioeconomy has crossed an estimated $130 billion in the year 2024 and has witnessed a manifold increase in valuation in the past 11 years, with COVID-19 giving the industry a much needed push. So I think you have understood this. So we will see data related to employment generation. It is important. So more than 32,000 plus jobs have been created by biotechnology sector till date, and 800 plus core biotechnology companies are established till now. And there is also expected revenue generation from vaccines by 2025, which is $17 billion. So we have understood all the things related to biotechnology and its importance and all the positive things. But are there some challenges? So the answer is yes, there are challenges. The first challenge is related to ethical concern. So, and it is due to genetic modification. The alteration of genes in humans and animals raises moral and ethical questions about playing God. The second risk is related to environment, biodiversity loss. Genetically modified crops might outcompete natural varieties, reducing the biodiversity itself. The next risk is related to unintended consequences, means introducing new organisms into the environment may have unpredictable ecological effects. We do have concerns related to our health as well. It can lead to allergies and resistance because genetically modified food may cause allergies to the human beings, and overuse of genetically modified crops can lead to resistant pests. It has other challenges like economic inequality in the access to technology. High cost of biotechnology products and treatments may widen the gap between rich and poor. Means rich can avail all the products and services based on biotechnology, but poor can't. So there will be that gap. Then skilled workforce, shortage of trained professionals in advanced biotechnology fields are there within India right now. So we have to train the workers. Then other challenge is related to market access. means challenges in accessing global markets and scaling bio-based innovations. The next challenge is related to scalability issue, means difficulty in scaling biotech innovations from research to mass production. Now, I think you did know the challenges. So, what can be the solution? What can be the way forward? So, the first way forward point is simplify and speed up. But what to simplify and what to speed up? The regulatory reforms. Simplify and speed up the approval processes for biotech innovations. What to improve? Improve infrastructure. Build more advanced research labs and biofoundries across the country. But what to enhance? Enhance market access, provide support for biotech companies to enter and compete in global markets. Then government has to address ethical concerns as well by creating clear ethical guidelines and promote responsible biotech use. Then government has to ensure preservation of biodiversity, and it is not only the responsibility of government, I believe it is also the responsibility of us as well of preserving biodiversity. So regulate the release of genetically modified organisms to protect biodiversity. Then at implementation level in the health risk monitoring, so implement strict safety testing and monitoring for genetically modified foods and therapies. And to reduce economic inequality by subsidizing biotech products and ensure affordability for lower income populations. I have provided the entire thing related to this scheme as well as biotechnology concept itself. Now I left it to you, whether anything has left out from me, you can search on it. I have one practice question for you for prelims. The BioRide scheme aims at A. At promoting research, innovation and entrepreneurship in biotechnology. B. To focus solely on pharmaceutical advancements, ignoring other biotech fields. C. To reduce India's bioeconomy to $100 billion by 2030. And D. To limit innovation and focus only on traditional biotechnological methods. You have to answer this question, which is prelims question. And for mains, I do have one question. So the question is, discuss the significance of biotechnology in India's economic and sustainable development with special reference to the BioRide scheme. Highlight the challenges faced by the biotechnology sector and suggest measures to overcome them. You have to answer this question within 250 words. Thank you guys, and we will see in the next video.